If you want internship with no experience, then watch this. Hi guys, I'm currently working as a data science intern at Gradtwin. So video last work chudandi. I will tell you how I got my internship by giving complete roadmap, what to learn, where to learn, and how to bag opportunities with my secrets. So let's start our video. So this is my office currently where I'm working. The main topic is how to get an paid internship. Let's walk through this step by step. Step number 1, and the most important step, learn the required skills at least 60%. See, manandarki telusinde. Manam without any skills and based on AI, we are all trying to clear exams. So basically, ila cheste max to max exams clear chestaru, not interviews. For any job or internship, interview anedi mandatory. In this interview, they'll definitely check your skills and mindset. Even though most of the recruiters don't have the complete knowledge, but they have plenty of experience in selecting the skilled candidates. So focus on learning the skills and master them in your free time by dedicating yourself. If you are planning to get a tech internship, most of the time these are not that much hard as getting a job, maximum easy only. So get the required things ready and start learning them. So if you want to become a data scientist or data analyst, what to learn? Focus on Python, SQL and tools and libraries. Learn this and be active on GitHub with your projects. I'm planning to do a dedicated video on Python and SQL. If you want to become a full stack developer, focus on front-end and back-end technologies. For full stack developer, main thing is the portfolio. So try to make as professional as possible. So moving on to where to learn. If you want to learn in depth, then learn on GeeksforGeeks website. It's completely free. Or else, if you are like me who loves simplicity, then learn on w3schools.com. And this one also completely free. Eventually, at one point, you will be knowing what are the things and how things work. Moving on to step number 2. What to do after learning? Yes, we must practice. Practice makes man perfect. And the question here is how to make use of practice to bag internships. Simply practice on these platforms: Leetcode, HackerRank. You use the scores by adding into your resume and portfolio, which will definitely add a pretty good weightage. After practicing a good amount, let's move on to step number 3. Showcase your knowledge. One of the most important things the students miss is how to expose themselves to the tech companies. Many students doesn't know how to use job searching platforms. Here are some of the best platforms which I use to get my internship: LinkedIn, Internshala and Naukri. Always upload your work in these platforms. Why should we do this? These platforms are generally used by HR recruiters. If they have any requirement, they always post them in these platforms. So follow these and explore these platforms daily. I made a complete LinkedIn setup. Check out that video. It helps you a lot. How I got my internship? I didn't even apply. Yes, you heard me right. I didn't even apply. One of my company's HR has visited my profile and contacted me for the further process of my internship. Here comes the last step. Step number 4. Applying. How to apply to the right roles and get selected. See, if you have required skills and knowledge and maintain pretty good profile, then go and apply as many roles as you can. Here is the secret. In LinkedIn, choose the filter Easy Apply. So this makes your application process significantly fast without creating individual profiles for each company. So that's it guys. Give your best in every step and perform 200% in your interview. I'll guarantee your internship. Just lock in and focus on every step. I hope you guys definitely get your internships and start your career with happiness. One last thing I want you guys to do for me. Share this video to all your beloved friends who are vigorously trying to get an internship. So see you guys in the next video. Peace out.